anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy 10:06. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. You know, guys, the people have been saying, oh, Musam Saleko loves the Mayeni more than the other wives. Yesterday, he did Tobile date, guys. You know, he have shown to us what Agam Tandi good Tobile, guys. On season 7, Musam Saleko and Mayeni, they had a fallout. Umayeni had to leave and go home, guys. But on her birthday, Musam Saleko posted Umayeni on his Instagram account. Yesterday, it was Tobile's birthday. Musam Saleko was quite one thing about Musam Saleko. Whenever there's anyone's birthday, Abom Bilo, you know, Abo Sne, Abo Lwandle, everybody, Abom Bilo, he will post them on Instagram. Yesterday, Umakumalo, she had a birthday party, guys. You know, you can tell the relationship is not make sure when you see a woman spending time with her family. You know, when a woman she's in love, she'll spend time with her man, my man this, my man that, like about some guys, they are still in love. Even yesterday, she was busy posting. So she spent the time with her sister, guys. You know, they were there for her. But Musam Salek was nowhere to be found. Even on the party, he was nowhere to be found. People are saying, no, it shows Musam Salek loves the Mayeni compared to the otherwise the Abomachele bona they only loves because they agree no baba, you know, wife number 5, you know, that because she doesn't have a problem, that's why Musam Salaka loves and go Machele, guys. When it comes to Mangwabe, I don't know what is going on there, but it seems like we are Mangwabe has done a lot when it comes to Musam Salaka, guys, but he has forgiven Umangwabe. Even on her birthday, Umangwabe, she was posted by Musam Salaka. But when it comes to Tobile, guys, Tobile, she needs to agree noma ngafuni inkosi yami ukuthi baze bamthande, like it's a false love when it comes to Tobile. Akamthandi umthandela because she's an innocent girl. She's no longer innocent. She's 37 years old. Musam Saleko, what is going on with you? So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Go to church and pray, guys. Jolo uyanyisa, guys. So it is what it is. Bye.